Hello viewers, in this video we are going to solve differential equation, that is method 4 using linear equation using integrating factor. Okay, if this is your first time of watching our video, please kindly subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this method, in this question we are going to solve differential equation using method 4, that is linear equation using integrating factor. Okay, that is the integrating factor, that is if integrating factor is equals to exponential integral of phi, that is the integrating factor. Well, the general term of the integrating factor, we have dy dx plus p into x y is equals to q into x. That is the general form of method 4 using integrating factor. Okay, now the general formula, we can use this formula which says y multiplied by integrating factor is equals to the integral of q multiplied by integrating factor dx. Then we are going to use this one in solving the problem. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go into the video. Okay, now we have the question. Let's write solution. The question says we are going to evaluate dy 1 over dx minus y is equals to x. Don't forget we are using method 4, which is linear equation. That is method 4 using, this is first order differential equation, it's not second order or third order. Okay, then in this case we are going to compare it with the general form. Let's compare with the general form. The general form says, the general formula, we have dy all over dx plus p into x y is equals to q into x. Now looking at the question, now the coefficient of phi is minus here, then our q here in this question is x. Therefore we can say our p is equals to minus 1 and q is equals to x. Okay, now we are going to integrate p. Since our integrating factor says we're going to integrate the exponential phi dx, when integrating this, the integrating factor here is phi. Now we're going to have the integral exponential of integral minus 1 dx. This one, if you integrate exponential, the integrating factor here will be exponential minus x, that is if you differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now we're going to use integrating factor. Since the integrating factor, we're going to say using integrating factor, which says y multiplied by integrating factor is equals to the integral of q multiply by integrating factor dx. We are going to substitute the integrating factor we got. We are going to say y multiply by integrating factor, that is exponential minus x, which is equals to the integral of x, that is q is x. The value of q is x multiplied by integrating factor minus x. Now we resolve into the issue where we can, if you look at the right hand side, it gives integration by facts. Now we are going to use integration by fact to simplify this side. Okay, that is using integration by fact to simplify the right hand side, that is this side. We are going to let u to be equals to x, let u equals to x, and the integral of dv, that is the integral of dv here is equals to minus exponential x, that is du is equals to 1. Using integration by fact formula, which says the integral of u dv is equals to bu minus the integral of b du. That is, using integration by fact here, we can substitute this as this is equals to the b is minus exponential x, that is ub, that is in the formula here is ub. We have ub, the u is x multiplied by b, the v here is multiplied by minus exponential minus x in brackets. Here we have minus the integral of b minus the integral of b, here we have minus exponential x multiplied by du. Du is equals to what? That is du is equals to 1. We want to multiply by 1. Okay, the next thing to do here, we are going to simplify the bracket here. In simplifying the bracket here, we are going to multiply x times exponential minus x. Here we have minus x exponential minus x. Here we have, since here is minus times minus, here will be plus, that is here will be plus minus exponential minus x. Okay, if we multiply exponential x times 1 to remain like that. Then the next thing to do here, we are going to simplify. Since we integrate this, we are going to say plus c. Okay, the next thing to do here, we are going to say, we are going to recall the step we left. We have y multiplied by exponential minus x, that is, this is equals to minus x exponential minus x, that is minus times minus here is plus times minus here is minus exponential minus x plus c. In this step, we are going to divide both sides by exponential minus x. For us to eliminate exponential minus x to out, we are going to divide through by exponential minus x. Therefore, we have y multiplied by, we can say y exponential minus x all over exponential minus x is equals to minus x exponential minus x all over exponential minus x. This one 2 exponential minus x plus c all over exponential minus x. Then we can say this cancel this. Also this cancel this, remain minus x. Here cancel this is 1. Here we have y is equals to minus x minus 1 plus c all over exponential minus x. Then the next thing to do here, we are going to say is I want to simplify c all over exponential minus x. Remember that if you take this one, since this one is getting minus, we can simplify it as c all over 1 all over exponential x. For you to remove the minus, remember loss of indices. Then we can use this method by saying here we have y is equals to minus x minus 1 plus c multiplied by exponential x. We can easily change this one into this one. That is our final answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.